Hi everyone! Today I'm going to be explaining your mini project for this unit. Okay, if you can believe it, we are already in the last week of our unit. What can you do with an idea? Okay, so this week your job is going to be to complete a mini project called the Ultimate Treehouse Design, where you will be designing your own treehouse. Okay, so remember in this unit, we've been talking all about the engineering design process and how to be an engineer, what engineers do, how to be creative when we're inventing things. So I want you guys to remember all of that as you work on your mini project throughout this week. Let's head to Google Classroom and I'll explain your mini project a little bit more. Okay, so once you get to your Google Classroom, you're going to go to Week 6, Virtual Assignments, and you're going to click on Mini Project, Ultimate Treehouse Design. This is the assignment that you are going to be working on throughout the week. Okay, you can see the assignment is broken up into 4 parts. Each day you're going to work on a different part. Okay, so go ahead and click on the Google Slides presentation. So here's the video that I'm making now. You can refer back to it at any point in the week if you need to. And here I've included links to each part of your project. Okay, so if you click on part 1, you'll arrive at your jobs for today, what you need to complete in part 2. In part 1, sorry. If you click on part 2, it will bring you to your slides for part 2 that you need to complete on Tuesday. If you click on part 3, you will see what you need to do on Wednesday. And if you click on part 4, it will bring you to the slides that you need to complete on Thursday. Okay, so you're going to work in the same Google Slides presentation all week to complete your mini project. Okay, so your jobs for today are to first finish watching this video. Then you're going to watch the video, Design the Ultimate Treehouse on slide 3. Looks like this, and this will explain your mini project in a little bit more detail. Please review the engineering design process because this will help you design your treehouse. Okay, I've included the engineering design process on slide 4 to help you. And your last job for today will be to insert a photo or drawing of the tree that you want to build your treehouse in on slide 5. Okay, you can either search for an image of a tree on Google and insert it here, or you can draw your own picture of your ideal tree to build your treehouse in. So go ahead and watch the video on slide 3 now to get started.